Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open up a tax-free savings account, TFSA, on Scotiabank. Just a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only. Make sure you understand how a TFSA works and whether it fits your financial goals before opening one. Let's jump right in. First, open the Scotiabank app on your phone. Once you're inside the app, go to the Home tab. From there, scroll down until you see the section labeled Investments. Under that section, tap on Start Investing. This will take you to a new screen where you can explore different investment options available through Scotiabank. Under the Featured Products section, scroll down until you see Investment Plan, Tax-Free Savings Account, TFSA. Once you find it, tap on Get Started. You'll then be brought to a page that explains more details about the TFSA. Here, you can review the overview, read about any special offers, and learn more about how the account works. Take a moment to scroll through and make sure everything looks good to you. If you're ready to move forward, go to the top of the page and tap Get Started again. Next, you'll see a screen asking how you would like to build your TFSA. You'll typically have a couple of options: guided investing with Scotia Smart Investor, self-directed investing with Scotia iTrade. If you prefer to manage your own investments and choose your own stocks or ETFs, you can select the self-directed option with Scotia iTrade. If you'd rather have a guided approach where your investments are managed for you, you can choose the guided investing option. Simply tap Get Started under the option that fits your preference and follow the next steps shown on your screen to complete the setup process. And that's it. That's how you open a TFSA on the Scotiabank application. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial clear and helpful. I'll see you in the next video.